Abaqus Tutorial Lesson 93 Unit Conversion of Micron Cutting. The video is very relaxed. Okay, let's go. Sometimes the cutting part is very small. For example, millimeter. If you use millimeter units, the cutting time I think will long. So you should better use micron units. Okay. Now the question is how to change micron. Oh no, millimeter to micron. Okay, I will show you a picture. Okay, millimeter micron time long L time second and micro okay equal okay mass power force mu n density. The density is very important value. For example steel meter millimeter micro -3 okay, very important. Okay, stress is same as millimeter MPa megapascal. Okay, energy I'm not clear. For example, meter 1 millimeter -3, but PJ I don't understand. I'm not clear. Heat same as meter. Conductive all the same. Expansion same. Fracture energy same as meter. Okay, displacement picture displacement micro. Okay, how to change? I will show you. Only this value I'm not clear. Only this value I'm not clearly. P, what's the meaning P? Okay. For example, this is micro. I will change from my millimeter units. For example, AL conductive same Jackson Cook. This value okay, you should bigger than millimeter. Density -3. Okay. Next, megapascal, same. Don't change. Expansion, same. Plastic, same. Rate dependent, same. Don't change. Specific heat, same. Okay, same. Oh no. This is millimeter. Micron is same as meter, so reduce 60. Okay. Do you follow me? Air, time, mass, force, density, misses, energy, heat, conductive, expansion, fracture energy, displacement. Okay, very important picture. Okay, I hope you follow me. My WeChat, my email, advertising time. If you have any questions, send the model to me kindly. Okay, if you think the video is useful, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.